Welcome traders to the world of investment trading with Stocks Trader Pro. And in this video, we're just going to quickly look through what you're going to get in the course. Now you can see down the right hand side, we have many videos. Now you'll notice that these videos are short and sweet and to the point. Now that's the whole point. We don't want to cause any confusion. We want you to fully understand exactly what you're doing when you're taking trades, the same way as I do and have done for the last 15 years. So we have the welcome section, which you are in now. We have the Mastering Trading View. Now Trading View is very important to me, and you can get a free version of this. Same with eToro. As well, I trade a lot with eToro, but the platform is down to you, what you prefer to use, and obviously down to what country you are in as well. We then have the Stocks Trader Pro strategy right here, and then we have some examples underneath that. We have risk management and developing the trader's mindset. Now that's an investment trader's mindset. We're trading the daily chart, not fast time frames, and we can hold for days, weeks, and even months if we have to. And the reason being is it's going to work in our favor in the long run. Now we have this section at the bottom, which is basically a bonus section. Sorry, it's a little bit further down. Yeah, the bonus section here. And within the bonus section, we're going to talk about all the different things that are happening in the market, and we're going to have updates in there. So good luck with your trading. Please take your time going through the videos and reach out to me if you have any questions through the Q&A section just down here.